we can run it right around this corner and plug in right there. Yep. Right there behind up there. We're gonna put some garland up there. And then we have that big thing that's gonna be going down the stairs right over here.
A giant arch.
Yep. Trees. We're gonna put the truck up and then the presents go in front of that. We're gonna run power off of this corner right here. Man, white trees show everywhere.
Yes, indeed. What's your favorite Christmas movie of all time?
Home Alone.
Home Alone?
Best Christmas movie of all time is Die Hard.
Christmas Vacation.
Christmas Vacation.
I guess we'll go with Elf.
Elf? Great answer.
It had to be the old Frosty the Snowman movie.
The animated one?
Yes.
So how many years have you guys done this location?
This is our first year on this one. We had to bid it out and give them a whole bunch of different options, and then they went before the city council to vote on who gets the contract. So it was us up against about 6 other companies, I think, that were bidding on this one, and we just decided to be the most creative.
That's why y'all are the best.
Here, right there.
And then your part island rolling up the.
No, it goes right here.
Oh, it goes here. I
Yeah.
thought it went up there. Oh, no, that's, yeah, for sure then.
We can do it right here, and then we can plug in right there. So, oh, that's the way to do it.
No, it goes here.
Okay.
No worries.
This should be enough. Extra snow, see? Extra.
Oh, it's not locked. Hold on, let's see. I think as long as the door's not locked up here. It's locked. It's locked up here.
Y'all don't need me? Just press this M button. It's called mezzanine. And then come in.
Uh-huh, look at that. Oh, daddy.
What will they take up next?
That is what I'm talking about right there. That is the ultimate in dust
Dude,
pits.
the next thing, they're gonna have robot sweepers before you know it.
Do we want to flag each section or we want to split it in half?
Each little bit, little.
We can get your truck down there, and just walk right up that walkway.
That's where it's.
Telling Dale I was watching myself put that Christmas tree up, and I had to run over there to help him, and I was like, who is that old man running like that? And it was me, just like,
Could you give us a demonstration?
I'll show you how an old man runs. I had like 4 pairs of glasses hanging off my shirt, and I'm always looking for my glasses, and I had about 3 or 4 pair hanging off my shirt.
Before we leave, we need somebody to do the elf.
Now give me a big thumbs up. We just finished up the city of Fort Worth. We've made our 1 o'clock mark. We got free hamburgers to get to. So if you like this video, please give us a big thumbs up. Comment down below, and we'll see you at the next one.
Boom.